Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we dive into a common problem that many Linux users may encounter. Picture this. You have a Linux Ubuntu 11 setup with a RAID5 configuration using three 2TB disks, and now you want to add another 2TB disk to the mix. However, after following a manual for the process and executing some commands, you unfortunately end up losing your array. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, we'll work through this problem together and find a solution. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. As mentioned in the provided information, the key step to reassembling your RAID array involves using the following command: mdadm assemble force dem0 devs1 devsc1 devst1. This command aims to forcefully reassemble the RAID array using the specified disks. However, during your attempt, you may encounter an error stating that the devices are busy, prompting you to stop the MD array before proceeding. By following this guidance and successfully stopping the MD array, you can proceed with the reassembly and rebuilding process, ultimately resolving the issue. In summary, we tackled a common issue faced by Linux users when expanding a RAID5 setup and encountering array loss. By utilizing the provided solution and executing the necessary commands, you can overcome this setback and reassemble your RAID array successfully. Remember, it's always essential to have backups of your important data to prevent any significant loss, just like in this scenario. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. See you next time!